How's it going, guys? Back for another video. Just gonna actually show you guys a new project I just picked up. It's gonna be a ton of work, but I'm gonna try to do a bunch of videos on it, show you guys what I do along the way. So you can probably tell by the title what it is. This car is rough. I'll show you it. I did a little bit of stuff so far, just getting it ready, but a little backstory, and after I show it to you. But let's get to it. So this is the car. It's a 70 Malibu 307, you know, some will call it a Chevelle. Original V8 car, but it is definitely rusty. It's been sitting for a long time. We need fenders, some work on the doors. Motor's gone. Gonna need quarter panels, a roof for sure. You can see it's pretty whooped. And then trunk lid, rear filler panel, bumpers, this quarter panel, roof. Door looks okay. Gonna need a fender there too. Took that hood off of it, so I did have that. I did do a little bit, like I said. So I got this just sitting on here for now. Let's take a look. Under the hood, got 307, like I said. I think it is original to the car, but I'm not really sure yet. I did stick a borescope down in it. I'll see if I can upload a little video of it. One of the pistons seen better days. So this is gonna go. It's probably gonna get an LS or a 454, but 2-speed power glide. Nice thing is it is a complete car. It's very rusty, as you can see, but it is complete, which is cool. So I'll show you guys inside real quick. Gold with a black vinyl top, but gold interior as well. It's complete. You can see. I don't know if that caught on fire or what the deal was, but power steering car too. Manual brakes, but it's all here. Let's see. I think you can see that little crack in the dash, but overall ain't too bad. Someone carved stuff into the windshield. I don't think you can actually see it here, but kind of, yeah, you can see it. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get that out or not, but we'll see. That is it. Floor pans are deleted. It's factory hole right there. So, you know, gonna get new floor pans. Trunk is literally completely gone. I can't really get a video of it right now. I haven't gotten the trunk open yet, but it's definitely gone. Let's see. A little wet back here, but pretty cool. Not bad. Someone drilled out the ignition so it turns and does all the fun stuff, but that's gonna really be it. So that's the car. You can see, probably not gonna start on it for a little bit, but that's the next project. I'll probably do an update on the Chevy pretty soon. I ended up pulling a transmission and rebuilding that, doing a rear main in it, but just gotta put the transmission back in and then be on the road. That'd be cool to have. But this car was sitting for, I believe, 25 years in someone's backyard, untouched. I don't really know too much of it other than that, but guy bought it and basically just realized he was in over his head, so I got a good deal on it. You guys can take a guess in the comments if you want as to what I paid for. I'll let you know if you get it right, or yeah, we'll see. But yeah, so that's gonna be the next one. It's gonna be completely everything. The frame's actually pretty solid. There's one little spot in the back where the bumper mounts that's a little rusty I gotta take care of, but other than that, frame's solid. And I was just happy it's a complete car. And the only thing I can tell that's been done to it, I'll show you real quick. You can see this line here. Someone put half quarters on it, but other than that, I don't really think the car's been touched. It's really straight. It's got an HEI distributor on it. You can see it back there, but everything else is just completely stock. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Drop a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.